Hi guys, Tracy here. Welcome back to the attic. I just wanted to come on and thank everyone for liking and subscribing to my channel and all the kind comments that you've left me so far on the videos that I've made. I also wanted to do a quick flip through of a little folio that I made. This one is a fishing themed folio that I made for my husband to store some pictures and mementos for some fishing trips that he had been on. For this, I just used a graphic 45 paper and also some paper studio paper and some embellishments that I'd had in my stash for quite a while. I'm not even sure exactly where they all came from. It's a hardback folio with a hard spine. I did some washi tape type embellishment on the back and the front. Did some little 3D embellishments on here. Opens up. Did some flip up and flip downs using some embellishments here. I put some magnets under the hat to keep everything closed. There's also a magnet there. Flips down just to have some pictures. Flips up for some more pictures. Again, closes with that magnet. Then over here I have a deep corner pocket. Decorated that with some 3D embellishments of the tackle box and the puffy fish here. Here, instead of journaling type cards, I did like photo mats and left some journaling on the front and the back that he can add to. He's already put some mementos from some trips he's been on in there. Again, left some journaling space on the back of all the mats that he can add information he wants to about the pictures. This one I did double pictures on that one, just matting on the side. The pocket is pretty deep. That way I can go back and add some more photo mats if he has more pictures that he'd like to put in here. This just flips over to the next page. Got some landscape photos here. Over here, I've got a couple of flip up and flip down side pockets here. Did some wax seals with a Nordic compass and some twine. These also have magnet closures. Keeping those closed. This one flips down, showing a pocket. Do a little notch style pocket there. Matted there. Did some photo matting there. Journaling tags there. And this one flips up. Again, got a pocket notched out. Did some matting. More photos. More journaling tags. And did a large photo mat here where he can store a large picture there. And then these again close back up with magnets. This is just a little small folio just to show that you can do large or small projects to store mementos, journaling, anything you kind of want to do. They don't have to all be as large as the first one I did on my channel. I appreciate y'all liking and subscribing. I hope y'all come back and view the videos that I plan on doing in the future. I'll probably be doing some more flip throughs of some other journals and albums that I have made, and then I'll start adding some tutorials onto my channel also. So please come back often, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I appreciate you leaving comments to let me know other things again like you might want to see on the channel. And until next time, y'all take care.